Okay, so we're going to continue on. We haven't finished that. We're going to show. I'm going to show some things with the eyes. Let's go ahead and so we've locked this part. I'm going to select these two pieces, and we're going to go to our shape builder that we just had, and I'm going to let's scroll through and make this a blue, and we're going to make this. Actually, let's make this a pink. And we're going to make this a blue. So there I've colored those two pieces. Those two pieces are cut individually, and there we go. And that's nice, easy, and simple. Another way you can use it is using the cut command. So I'm going to go over here and take a look at this and say, okay, here's what I have, right? I want this piece and the bottom piece to be two different pieces. I still want to maintain the line in case I want to move that around maybe. So I can use the cut command. So we're going to use go to the scissors or C for cut, and we're going to give, actually we're going to lock this line here so I don't select it. We're going to cut right there, Illustrator, there we go, cut right there. So now I have two individual pieces, and then I could do the same thing that I did there. So now here you have your shapes kind of all cut out. You have your eyes that are there. You have everything else. You can start to add other details inside of there. You can start to add some color into it, some other things if you wanted to. If you wanted to add some more details with the mouth or any of these other things. Some really simple things you could do with this is, again, we're going to use the same technique we've sort of been working on. I'm going to make a line like so, and we're going to use this reshape tool and just reshape it. All right, so it somewhat mimics what's going over here. I'm going to show you another extra cool one where I can kind of pull this to the side if you want the exact same curve as what's happening here. We're going to give that a stroke of white, but here's the trick, right? So we have this. We have this here. Oh, it did some weird thing. What is this? Sorry, it's fixing it. Trying to, at least. Oh, kind of double back on itself. What is it? All right, I don't know what that did. Oh, there, I got rid of the extra piece. All right, so this is what you really have. I don't know what I did there. You can go to your stroke dialog box, right? And here's the weight of the stroke. And you can set these caps to be rounded. So now you have this nice round shape, which gives the illusion of maybe a glow or a shine or something else. And here we can add a couple. We had a circle there, and all of a sudden now your thing has some depth to it, right? It's just adding in those couple little shape things that are there is great. So another way you could work this is I'm going to duplicate this out over here, and I'm actually going to take out the fill. And what I'm going to do is use my scissors, and I'm just going to make two cuts. Just like I'm a doctor. And there we go, and those two pieces, and we delete them. So now I have the actual cut of this, which is the actual shape. And now I could do that same thing here and here. Right? It's really doing the same kind of thing. But depends on how precise you want to be. And there you go. That's how you kind of go in and color in some shapes that are there using the stuff that we've learned.